Hey, what's up? Are you thinking something?
Yeah, I was just wondering how beautiful our country India is.
Yes, it is beautiful, but as far as I know, our country is beautiful since its existence. Then why did you recognize it to be beautiful suddenly?
No, it's not suddenly, but I just got to know more about my country today and was feeling proud to be its citizen.
Really? Tell me what facts did you come across about India?
Did you know India is one of the ancient civilizations of the world and it's the 7th largest country of the world?
Oh, that's interesting. Tell me more about it.
Sure, India is the best country in the world for many reasons. Acceptance of people of different religion, the fastest growing economy and the largest democratic nation.
Alright, but don't you think, my friend, that it's easy to acquire these qualities that you just mentioned in a small populated country like India?
Small population? No, my friend. Do you know what's the current population of India?
No.
With 1.4 billion of population, India is the largest populated country of the world.
OMG, then it's incredible to have these qualities in a highly populated country like India. It's simply amazing.
Yes, I'm sure. Well, after knowing all about this, I would like to share something else about my country, or to be more precise, about my national flag. The Indian national flag symbolizes the freedom of India and it holds the respect and honor in every mind and heart of an Indian. It is important that we know everything about the Indian flag and make it as a high regards.
That's true. The Indian national flag is also called Tiranga in Hindi. It is a symbol of free India. Tiranga has 3 colors, saffron, white and green. There is also an Ashoka wheel at the center. Wheel is blue in color with 24 spokes.
Well, do these colors have any significance in the national flag?
That's something I like more about India. We have a reason for everything we follow. In the national flag of India, the top band is of saffron color, indicating the strength and courage of the country. The white middle band indicates peace and truth with Dharma Chakra. The last band is of green color, indicating fertility, growth, and auspiciousness of the land. This Dharma Chakra depicted the wheel of the law and the Sarnath land capital made by the 3rd century BC, modern Emperor Ashoka. The chakra intend to show that there is life in movement and death in stagnation.
That's unbelievable. Such a lovely meaning.
The Indian national flag represents the hopes and aspirations of the people of India. It is a symbol of our national pride.
Marvelous. India is truly prodigious. I'm proud of it and we all are.
Thank you.